Alright guys, so welcome to my channel. We're going to be using the Action 5 Pro again with the higher bitrate, because on my last video I had it on standard mode and you guys didn't roast it at all. So my goal is to find all those marginal gains, because I think the bump was all max of 107 megabits per second. So yeah, it's not like it got to a 400. Let's be real, it's just an action cam for an action whoop, right? It's not a Red Komodo or an Arri Alexa. So let's keep it real, right? Anyhow, again, do the typical over the water capture. Want to see the reflection. I want to see some colors popping. I'm running out of light though, so I better do it quick. And my typical gap session where I go like really sketchy on the playground, over under the bench here, and get some really proxy to the ground, get some tight shots, super tight ones, because that's the goal. Using this action whoop 2.5 inch will give me a better experience, things that I cannot do with a regular 5-inch. Okay, so that's why I like to do these like different kind of videos or different angle. But yeah, I'm gonna be shooting some tight gaps, get some water reflection, making sure I can capture that. So yeah, let's go. All right, so filming with high bit rates on the Action 5 Pro. Unlike yesterday that it was standard, this time it's high rate. So let's go over that and see what are the marginal gains when you fly the high rates. I already know it's just better night mode, and also it will retain more color when you're doing something while you're moving. Yeah, I see the kid, no worries. All right, fam, so there you have it. It was a fun and short run with the Action 5 Pro. This time I went more sketchy through the gaps on the playground. I felt that it was necessary because I wanted to get more motion at close proximity and see how the camera can actually capture those orange bars and the green colors and everything. Also the proximity on the, to the ground, to see all that surface area, and also the reflection here at the lake, which I think it was better than the past video. I went more into like capturing better like lines, not even lines, because it was just freestyle. I was not thinking of a line. I was just going with whatever I thought it was right to film over. But I think, yeah, the Action 5 won. The Action 5 Pro won over my other two cameras. Just want to say that. But again, feel free to say it as it is on the comments down below. Just say it, just, spit it out. That's what I want to hear, because that's how we grow if we're honest, okay? Sometimes we can skip stuff or just like overlook it, and then I have one, member on the audience and point something out. I was like, oh yeah, you know what? That's right. Thanks for pointing that out. So I think that's how we grow, when we're just like transparent, honest, and just, say it as it is. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, if you want to stay connected, check these two videos right here. And yeah, that's it. So stay tuned for the next content. Cheers.